Yes, good morning guys, and mine happened to our friends there in the Philippines. And guys, the brain surgeon from the Bohovel, yes, that shithole, that blot on the landscape, has been uploading a few videos today. One particular video titled, "Finally a good look at our nemesis, the bird, our feathered nemesis." Now, some months ago, it was pointed out to Bosshog that there was a bird, or a couple of birds, lurking down at the tilapia ponds. We did tell Brian that these birds eat their body weight each day. So, after all these months, finally, he's realised and he's got evidence that it is a bird. So Brian, a couple of questions really. It wasn't the locals that were stealing the fish then, so will we get a public apology, or will they get a public apology? And what about your neighbour? Will she be getting an apology? You did say it was your neighbour's dogs, it was the locals who were stealing your fish. I think an apology is the least you can do. Now, this bird, as you said in the video, it looked like a young bird, he said, so probably it's his words, its parents had also been down at the pond causing some trouble. Now, if you watch the video carefully, what you'll notice is this. The bird itself, even though the dog's barking, the bird isn't scared of the dogs. It's perched there, picking fish out of these fish pens that he's got floating in that tilapia pond. Another thing that was noticeable is the fact that he's made it easier for the birds to get the fish, even though they are netted, by having those cages too low in the water. But we're not expert fish breeders, are we? We're not expert fish breeders. Yeah, but guys, didn't Eleonora tell him 2 months ago that birds were eating the fish out of the pond? Would you not think that someone so smart like Brian would have been checking for evidence? Any signs of a bird down at the pond in the last 2 months? But no, it has taken him until now to bother to check. I'm sure that you're all aware that Bosshog is no fish breeder. He's no fish breeder at all. You'll also notice, guys, in the video that Bosshog is shouting at the dogs to shut up. So it would seem that Brian really is the alpha male, because he can boss his dogs around down at the Bohovel. But here we go, guys, a conclusion really of this this video, what we learned from Brian today, is the fact that over 2 months ago he was told that birds were eating his fish, and he accused his neighbours, he accused the locals, they're all thieves. And wouldn't you think now, looking at that this farmer is the dumbest fish farmer you've ever seen? What with his experience of the fish eating the milkfish from the ocean fish pen, wouldn't you think he'd have learned his lesson? Don't you think so? Well, it seems not, because you can't fix stupid, can you? Guys, till the next time, please like, follow, because we do not charge to subscribe to this channel. No charge at all. Keep your money in your pocket. Don't be falling for the scams that come out of the shithole of Bosshog. Bye for now.